In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download DaVinci Resolve on Windows 11 step by step, so you can get the official version safely from Blackmagic Design and install it the right way. Whether you want the free version or you're considering Studio, I'll walk you through the entire process from download to first launch, so you won't get stuck along the way. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to the official Blackmagic Design website at blackmagicdesign.com. It's always best to download software from the official source so you know you're getting the correct and most up-to-date file. Once the homepage loads, look at the top menu and click on Support. This will take you to the support area where Blackmagic Design hosts the latest software downloads. On the support page, you'll see a list of product icons. Find and click the DaVinci Resolve and Fusion icon. This is the section specifically for DaVinci Resolve downloads, updates, and related tools. After that, scroll or look to the left side of the page until you find the latest download section. This is where Blackmagic lists the newest available installers for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Now locate the download button for DaVinci Resolve 19 or 20 for Windows. Make sure you pay attention here, because there are usually two versions listed. The version labeled Studio is the paid version and requires a license key, while the version without Studio in the name is the free version that most people want. If you're just getting started, the free version is usually the best choice, and it still gives you powerful editing, color, and audio tools. When you click the download button, a registration pop-up will appear. This is completely normal, and it means Blackmagic wants a few details before giving you the installer. Fill out the form with your name, email address, and country. Make sure the information is accurate, then review it once before continuing. After that, click the Register and Download button in the bottom right corner of the form. At this point, your browser should begin downloading a .zip file to your computer. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a little while, so be patient and wait for the download to fully complete. Once it's done, open your Downloads folder and find the file named DaVinci Resolve Windows.zip. Right-click the zip file and choose Extract All. This will unpack the installer files so Windows can run the setup properly. After extraction is complete, open the folder you just created. Inside, look for DaVinci Resolve Installer.exe and double-click it to start the installation process. Since this is a system installer, Windows 11 may show a user account control prompt asking if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. Click Yes to continue. Now the setup wizard will open. Follow the on-screen steps carefully. Click Next, accept the license agreement, and then choose your installation location on your C drive. If you're not sure where to install it, the default location is usually fine for most users. Once everything is selected, click Install and wait while the status bar moves to 100%. This part may take a few minutes depending on your system. When the installation finishes, click Finish. In some cases, Windows may ask you to restart your computer so that all drivers and components are initialized correctly. If you see that prompt, it's a good idea to restart before opening the program for the first time. After your PC is back on, look for the DaVinci Resolve icon on your desktop or in the Start menu. Double-click it to launch the software and make sure everything opened properly. And that's it. You've now successfully downloaded and installed DaVinci Resolve on Windows 11. If you followed along and everything worked, drop a like on the video, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and let me know in the comments if you want a beginner guide on how to use DaVinci Resolve next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.